Tires are more than just rubber on the road. They are the unsung heroes of your car, but there's a ton of misinformation floating around about them. From myths about tire pressure to misconceptions about tread wear, these tire lies could be seriously damaging your ride and your safety, and you probably don't even know it. In this video, we are going to bust the most common tire myths that every driver falls for. So before you make your next tire mistake, stick around because this truth could save your tread and your wallet. Let's dive in. Myth number 1, low-profile tires are always better for performance. This is one of the most misleading myths out there. Just because a tire looks sporty and has a low sidewall doesn't mean it automatically boosts performance across the board. Yes, low-profile tires can improve steering response and cornering on dry, smooth roads, but performance isn't a one-dimensional metric. True performance includes traction in different weather conditions, ride comfort, braking distance, and even acceleration. In wet or uneven terrain, low-profile tires can actually perform worse than their standard counterparts. Their stiff sidewalls don't adapt well to imperfect surfaces, and that can compromise grip and stability. Myth number 2, low-profile tires improve fuel efficiency. Some people think that because low-profile tires reduce rolling resistance, they must help fuel economy. But it's not that simple. While the reality is, low-profile tires hurt your fuel economy in several ways. First off, they usually have a wider tread, which increases rolling resistance. The more rubber that's in contact with the road, the harder your engine has to work to keep things rolling, which means more fuel burn. Plus, low-profile tires are often paired with larger, heavier rims. That extra weight makes your car work even harder, which causes more fuel consumption. If you want to save fuel, it's better to focus on properly inflated, narrower tires that roll with less resistance. Myth number 3, new tires always go on the front wheels. This is one of the most dangerous myths out there. If you're replacing only 2 tires, many people think they should go on the front wheels for better steering control, but the correct placement is actually on the rear wheels. This is because the rear tires play a critical role in vehicle stability. If the rear tires have less tread than the front ones, they are more likely to lose grip on wet or slippery roads, leading to oversteer and spinouts. Even in front-wheel drive vehicles, new tires should always go on the back to maintain better control. If the front tires lose grip, you can still somewhat control the car using the steering wheel. But if the rear tires lose grip, you'll have little to no control, making it much easier to spin out. Myth number 4, you only need to replace your tire when it's completely worn out. This is a big one, and trust me, it's a myth that could cost you more than just money. Many people think they can ride their tires all the way until the tread is nearly bald, and only then should they consider replacing them. Well, here's the truth. Tires don't need to be completely worn out to become dangerous. First off, tread wear is just one part of the story. Even if the tread looks fine, the rubber can become hard, cracked, or damaged over time. This happens due to heat, UV exposure, and just the wear and tear of everyday driving. Now let's talk about tire age. Yes, age matters even if the tread looks untouched. Tires should be replaced every 6 to 10 years, even if they're not fully worn. Another reason not to wait for complete wear is tire alignment. Misalignment, suspension issues, or even driving habits can wear down tires unevenly. If you're not checking for this early on, your tire could be severely compromised without you even knowing. A slight bulge or uneven wear is enough to cause a failure at high speeds. Myth number 5, low-profile tires make your car safer. This one is a bit misleading. Yes, low-profile tires can provide sharper steering and better grip in corners, which seems like a safety upgrade. But they're also more prone to damage from potholes and road debris. A hard hit on a curb or rough road can bend a rim or blow out the tire. They also don't perform as well in rain or snow because of less sidewall flexibility and sometimes shallower tread. So while they can help in dry, controlled conditions, they may actually reduce safety in everyday driving scenarios. Myth number 6, low-profile tires last longer than regular tires. This myth couldn't be further from the truth. Low-profile tires might look cool, but they don't outlast regular tires. In fact, they usually wear out faster. Why? Because of their shallow sidewalls. Low-profile tires have less rubber to absorb bumps and impacts from potholes or rough roads, so that stress is transferred directly to the tread. This leads to faster, uneven wear, especially if you hit a lot of potholes or rough patches. Regular tires, with their thicker sidewalls and more cushion, tend to absorb these impacts better, extending their lifespan. So while low-profile tires may give you better cornering performance, but they won't give you a longer-lasting tire. Myth number 7, recommended pressure is on the tire sidewall. This one trips up a lot of drivers, and it's easy to see why. You glance at the sidewall, see a PSI number printed there and think, boom, that's the pressure I need. But here's the truth. That number is not the recommended tire pressure. That's the maximum pressure that tire can handle, not what your car needs. Inflating to that number makes your tires rock hard, which means less grip, a rougher ride, and uneven tread wear. It also reduces your traction, especially in wet conditions, because the tire isn't making full contact with the road. It's like walking on tiptoes instead of your whole foot. The correct tire pressure is listed on the driver's door jamb or in your owner's manual. That's what your suspension, steering, and tires are engineered to work with. So don't fall for this myth. Sidewall numbers are safety limits, not daily driving recommendations. Myth number 8, low-profile tires don't affect your suspension or alignment. If you think low-profile tires don't affect your suspension or alignment, you're in for a surprise. These tires put more stress on your car's suspension system due to their stiff sidewalls, which means every bump, pothole, or curb is transmitted directly to the suspension. Over time, this can cause faster wear on suspension components, alignment issues, and even handling problems. Plus, low-profile tires are more sensitive to alignment changes, so they need more frequent checks to keep them in good condition. Myth number 9, high-profile tires are just for SUVs and trucks. This myth couldn't be more off base. While it's true that SUVs and trucks commonly use high-profile tires for their off-road capabilities and load-carrying strength, but that doesn't mean these tires are only limited to large vehicles. High-profile tires, which have taller sidewalls, offer excellent ride comfort, better impact absorption, and more durability on rough or uneven roads. These benefits can be just as valuable on sedans, hatchbacks, or compact cars, especially if you are driving in areas with poor road conditions or potholes. So this myth is false. These tires are not just for off-roaders and heavy haulers. They are a practical choice for a wide range of vehicles and driving environments. Myth number 10, all low-profile tires are the same. This is a myth that leads many drivers to choose the wrong tire for their needs. Not all low-profile tires are created equal. Different manufacturers use different rubber compounds, tread patterns, and construction techniques that dramatically affect how the tire handles, wears, grips, and feels on the road. Some low-profile tires are designed strictly for dry performance driving, while others might be all-season or even winter-rated. There are also differences in noise levels, comfort, and durability. So lumping them all together under one label is like saying all sneakers are the same. There's a world of difference once you look beyond the surface. So that's all for this video. All common tire myths have been busted. Smash that like button if you've learned something new, and let me know in the comments which myth surprised you the most. See you in the next video.